And the race is on. Ken Fair Special, Lim Expensive Toys. Miss Elliot rushing up from the outside. Delis in the middle. Alongside Mooney, Money, Multiply, and Best of Chumai is the early thriller. And going along for the first turn, Miss Elliot, followed by Ken Fair Special. Him, Expensive Toys Racing by Darrell, and Racing Import by Sam Trilangs Mooney Money, Dailies Racing Import by Sam Forlangs Running by Darrell Multiply, and Best of Chimay. Miss Elliot by Sam Forlangs Can Fair Special, Lim Expensive Toys done on the inside, Mooney Money is racing from the outside, working towards the back. Miss Elliot, followed by Camper Special. Lim, Expensive Toys done on the inside, alongside is 3A Mooney Money. Inside the last 600, Estelle Miss Elliot by Sam Toles Mooney Money. Lim, Expensive Toys running by Drell and rushing up dailies together with Multiply. Rounding the far turn, Miss Elliot, Lim, Expensive Toys now running in second. Dailies done on the inside, Multiply and Mooney Money as the action turns towards the long, nice stretch run with four runners fighting it up for the lead. Lim, Expensive Toys from the outside, Multiply down on the inside, and in between runners, Dailies, and nearing the finish line, Lim, Expensive Toys, Multiply is running by Terrell, Multiply, Lim, Expensive Toys, Dailies, and finally, number one, Multiply, Lim, Expensive Toys, Dailies, Best of Chumay, 3A Mooney Money, Miss Elliot, and Ken Fair Special comes last.